Welcome back to the farm. I hope you've had a good week. We've had an eventful week this last week. We had some incredible winds at the start last week, and they got really bad and they blew lots of branches down around the place. It was really cold as well. We got down to -6 at one stage one morning, but they were beautiful days. I've just got a load of hay come in yesterday, which is just as well because it's raining today. And what else have we done? Just started cleaning up after all the winds, after all the branches and trees blew down. I went through some of the video earlier, and when I was chopping up a tree, there was some hitchhikers on my back, and if I had known, I would have run around the paddock. But I hope you enjoy, have a good week, and we'll see you next time. Oh, it's a brisk cold morning this morning. I've just been breaking the ice off the chicken water. It's a nice frosty morning this morning. It was 6 degrees when we woke up this morning, and it's 8:30 now, and there's still a fair bit of white around, but it's going to be a cracking day, as you can see by the sky. Very cold. I even put hot water in the pig feed today just to give them a treat. But once my nose stops running from the morning, we'll be good. We had some pretty amazing winds overnight. It sounded like a freight train coming through, and I'm just out sorting these chickens out. Little girl has got herself out because branches have fallen across the fence, and the fence is down over here, and I'll just fix this fence up. All the animals are all okay, and all the chickens are okay, but there's miles of branches strewn across the paddock. I'm going to be picking up sticks for days and mulching. It gives us a bit more firewood, but I'll just go around and show you all the branches that have come down. Luckily nothing hit the caravan. As you can hear, it's still really windy. Pick up my bits and bobs as I go along. But there's much more branches up here that have come out of trees. Most of this will go through the mulcher. But I've got feed bags that have been blown away. So I'll have to, wherever I find them, I'll have to pick them up. There's lots of branches strewn around here under these trees, and miles of leaves stuck up against the fence line. I can see a big branch out of a tree up on the hill there as well. What's that up there? Some cardboard in the distance. Keep you busy. It's always something to do, isn't it? Never a bored moment. I actually wanted to prepare or fix up the pig area and get that ready for planting the next cover crop. There's miles of leaves around, blown up against the fence, up against the chicken coop. What a mess. It's everywhere. But I'll throw some of the branches with the green on it over to the cows and the sheep. They generally like to have a pick through it. Now and eat what they want and leave the rest. and all the buckets that we used for watering and feed buckets for carrying feed around there all over the place as well. So wherever I walk today, I always end up with an armful of debris. There was a big bucket up here, a big tub where we keep our feed, that had a heap of feed bags in it, and they're now distributed around the farm. So we'll see what I can pick up. We call it emu bobbing here in Australia. I remember doing that when I was a kid, picking up rocks and paddocks and sticks on the back of a ute with my uncles or aunties, picking up sticks and rocks in the paddock. Veggie garden looks alright still. But we were awake pretty much most of the night because the wind was so loud and there was always bumps, and we had a chair travel down the veranda at one stage. But everything, all the animals are intact and all the branches have missed fences or structures. But man, it was a crazy old windy night. And it's turning into a nice day. I'll see what I can clean up.
A big wind, big tree fell over the fence. How we're going to get this down. We don't want the cows going through it. Nearly got it all out except for this last bit, and it's now completely squashing the fence. So bring in the big guns. Got the tractor. Got us some firewood for next year. Not sure what sort of gum it is, but it's some sort of eucalypt or gum tree.
As you can hear, it's still really windy, and most of the tree guards have survived. So I can only see 3 that are missing up there. There's one up in the paddock. Up here, there's a couple that have blown over, and the stick is rotted. So I'll just bring some more sticks down and get some of these tree guards back on. going to town on the tree. They're all excited because we're moving on. Hello, girl. Yes, you're going today. You're going back home. Yes, come on. Such a strong animal. Off farm day today. One of the reasons why we bought where we did was because I'm 2 hours from Thredbo and I get to ski with my best ski buddy, and it's a cracking day today. Hope you're having a good day too.